Is your home or business truly safe and secure? Are you looking for peace of mind when it comes to protecting your loved ones, your valuable possessions, your business, or your property? Look no further than ACF Alarm Company. As your trusted St. Louis alarm company for over 50 years, we offer cost-effective security solutions without compromising on quality. Our technicians custom tailor and install easy-to-use burglar alarm systems, UL-listed fire systems, access control, as well as video surveillance systems. Our access control systems allow you to manage exterior and special interior doors without the use of keys. It can track entries and generate reports for effective supervision. Rest easy knowing that your home or business is monitored by a St. Louis alarm company around the clock. Our monitoring station, which has redundant locations, receives all alarm signals and allows us to provide you with support 24 hours a day, every day. You can even choose to control your alarm system remotely with just a tap on your smartphone. Secure your home, property, or business with your local St. Louis Alarm Company by calling 314-869-8500 or visit acfalarm.net to schedule a free consultation. We are specialists in protection.